Hi, I'm Paul Strafair. I am the catering manager here at Salisbury NHS Foundation Trust. We run various operations here, 2 very busy restaurants, and we also feed our patients. We're a 480-bed hospital, so altogether with the restaurants and the patients, we do around about 2,000 meals a day. With our busy operations, we need to ensure that we've got the right equipment to cope with this level of work. It needs to tick a lot of boxes, so in this sort of modern day with carbon footprint, etc., we need to show that we are buying equipment that is efficient. On top of that, we need to make sure that it's robust and it will last. Here at Salisbury, we have 2 flight machines. We also have the WD7, which is our smaller machine up in hedgerows, and we also have the WD100, which is the granule pot wash machine.
My name is Hamish Fowles. I'm a Director of Commercial Facilities Engineers. We work with Salisbury Hospital and have done for the last 7 years on various pieces of catering equipment, primarily Wexiodisk. We have been working with Wexiodisk since about 2002, and in that time Wexiodisk has expanded and grown its range quite dramatically. The build quality of the machines is outstanding, and the reason we sell Wexiodisk is because they are the most reliable machine on the market.
We had one Wexiodisk before, and we've recently purchased another flight machine to sit alongside that one. Clearly we purchased it based on the fact that the performance on the other one impressed us that much. It's unheard of really, I think 7 years to have a machine and to have hardly any maintenance on it, needing very little work. This is our cleaning area, wash-up area for Salisbury District Hospital. They clean all our plates, all the crockery, and all the patients' food trolleys that come back as well. And there's 28 food trolleys, all loaded with food tins for fresh in-house food, so you can imagine there's quite a lot of stuff that has to go through the machines, which is why we bought 2 machines that can cope with that level of work. One of the things that we found for its efficiency is we used to take all our tins down to the other side of the kitchen for washing up, so we do a lot of tins, etc., because we have a bulk service food trolleys, which creates a lot of tins, a lot of gastron tins. So this machine has a pot wash cycle. You push the knob in, this knob here, the lever, and that makes the power in the machine a lot stronger, helping to remove any food debris, etc. We went from a rack machine as well before this one, where we had to use baskets to load the dishwasher. With this dishwasher, it's much more efficient, so people can come out, they wheel the trolleys here, and to offload, they just put the plate straight onto the conveyor belt. You can set the timer for the conveyor, so you can have it fast or you can have it slow, depends on how busy you are. One of the things that sold it to me was all the stainless steel. So inside the machine, all the spray arms are stainless steel, so you don't have this continuous problem with caps blowing off on machines we had before, and they tend to disappear. And once you've lost those caps, you've lost the pressure from the machine, which you don't get that sort of issue with this type of machine. This machine comes with a touchscreen control panel, so you can change different settings. You can check your temperatures, etc., so you can get all your HACCP data, etc. From this panel. It says it all across the top. That's your temperatures. As you can see, it's hot on the rinse, and so it has thermo disinfection properties with the length of time it goes through the machine. At the moment it's set at 130. Another thing we like about this machine is the large entrance for the dishwasher. It does allow things like larger things that you can put on here, which most machines you can't get on there, which is very useful when it comes to pot wash items, etc. This is our WD100 GR machine. This machine does, it can run on 2 cycles, so one with granules, one without. I know that there are, when you do the washing and you've got some really hard burnt on stuff, that it can take hours in a pot wash in the sink. You just load your dirty tins onto this here, and you push the button, the doors would close, and you choose your cycle. Now if it's heavily burnt on stuff, then you put it on the granule wash. At the end of it, it comes out very, very clean.
In all the time we've worked with Wexiodisk, we've been really happy. We've seen them grow with the new green credentials, and we've seen the quality of the machines get better and better and better.
We've been with Wexiodisk now for 7 years. I've been really impressed with everything from communication right down to maintenance. The support has been really outstanding. Yeah, looking forward to buying more equipment from Wexiodisk in the future.